Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bonuke Davin Biaki. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. With me are my colleagues, and it's a group of young female advocates from Kisii County. And we are glad and humbled to be part of the support team, the support system behind Our Lady, the Women Rep Kisii County, Honorable Madam Dunya. We are happy and appreciate that all our supports from all over achieved victory. We supported her from the beginning to the end. We believe that she won clean, and we are in solidarity with her, supporting our win. And as young advocates, as we have told you, young female advocates, we are ready and we are here to give our support, legal support, and we are doing it pro bono. We support her until the end. And now we have my colleagues here who are also willing to say something about the support. Among us is our LSK secretary, organizing secretary, Mrs. Ndukire. Kindly, you can say a word.
Good afternoon. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. I represent the LSK Southwest branch team. We are here to show our support to our women rep. We are happy to be part of the exercise, and we are together with you as the LSK team. Thank you.
What made you decide to represent our problem?
Pardon?
Why did you decide as young lawyers to present our pro bono?
When you talk about pro bono, it is
Yes.
it is a voluntary. Yes, we have volunteered to show our support as the young advocates and the LSK team. Yeah. Thank you.
Also, if I may add on that, as I told you earlier, we were part of our team right from the beginning. Apart from us being advocates of the High Court of Kenya, we are Kenyans, we are taxpayers, we are voters. We voted, we vouched for her. We believed in a manifesto, and if we deliver that win at this point, now that she's the sitting women rep, we cannot abandon her now that she's facing her win is being challenged in court. That's why we are supporting her. We are supporting her pro bono. We are not seeking any payment. We believe that her age bracket is not far apart from us. So we are supporting her as one of us, as a young woman, as a young leader, and she has won it. So we want to support because we believe in her. We believe in her manifesto. We believe in her agendas. We believe that she's going to take us to the heights that we believed in before we chose her.